Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this banana and Bundt cake. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter and your granulated white sugar and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This normally takes around 5 to 7 minutes, but it may take longer or less time depending on how you are mixing this. So once the mixture is lighter and fluffier, you'll then want to give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the bowl, as that's where sometimes some of the ingredients can get caught up. Then you can start adding your eggs and vanilla, roughly one at a time, beating well in between each addition. As you add the eggs and they incorporate, you'll notice that the mixture becomes looser in consistency, and this is completely normal because you are adding more liquid into the mix. But don't worry, if it scrambles a little bit, don't worry, that's fine, you'll be able to fix it in the next stage. Once all of your eggs have been incorporated, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in all of the mashed banana and just mix it in using your spatula. You will notice it will make the mixture look more split and curdled. This is completely normal because you're adding quite a lot of moisture into a mixture that's already got moisture in it. It will split and look curdled, but don't worry, you'll be able to fix it in the next stage once you add in your dry ingredients. When it comes to adding your dry ingredients, make sure you pass them through a sieve first, otherwise that just removes any of the lumps that may have built up in the dry mix. Incorporate all of the dry ingredients on a low speed to start with so you don't get a cloud of flour going everywhere, and once your flour has almost fully combined, you can then start to add in your milk, roughly around a tablespoon at a time, and just until you've got enough and the batter looks perfectly fine. Once you've got that, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and take your prepared Bundt pan and start to pour the banana batter into it, being careful not to get it all up the sides as you want it to rise perfectly, so turn your tin around and pour it in that way. Level it off just as best you can so it bakes more consistently. All of the baking times and temperatures will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below. And here is what it looks like once it's baked and fully cooled. I was really nervous at this stage as I wasn't sure if it would actually turn out perfectly, but luckily enough I followed a Pinterest hack for release spread that I put onto the pan, and it comes out perfect every time. You can then go ahead and start to cut the cake up. Whether you want a big piece or a small piece, that's completely up to you, but cut yourself a piece, and it's just like banana bread from the loaf tin, just in Bundt form. It's perfect, it's light, it's not a heavy cake, which is perfect. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in the description, as there will be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.